yet.
Have your ticket.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. There you go. Thank you very much.
What's stuck in on, guys?